Hey guys, today I'm going to be making this taco cake thing. I came up with the recipe last year and I did a video, but I was like, I should update it and make it better and stuff like that. So yeah, the first thing you need is some ground beef or ground turkey. I'm using ground turkey, but it might be better with ground beef, I don't know. Then you need some sour cream, some refried beans. I just used the small one, but if you're making a big one, then I guess you need the big one. Then you need some Velveeta cheese. And then lastly, you're going to need some tortillas. And also, which is optional, you can use some, add some taco sauce or taco seasoning or whatever seasoning and sauce that you like, or salsa and stuff like that to yours. So let's get right into it. First, I'm just going to make the ground beef and the cheese. Okay, so right now the stuff is finished cooking, and then so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to prep the tortillas and whatever and cut it into its football shape. And also you want to preheat your oven on 350 degrees. I have my tortillas, and the shape's kind of like football, but it's going to look better when I have the stuff on it. So, first, we're going to start off by taking this, and I guess I'm going to start with the bottom. Because this is the layer that's going to go down, you want the ugly side down. So first, I'm going to start off with the cheese. So you got your cheese. This layer of cheese, you're just going to set it into the pan, which is going to go cooking in the oven with. And then next layer, we're going to have in here, we're going to add the meat. And we're just going to add the meat evenly. And then we're going to add our tortilla on top. Okay, so we're going to keep on layering it the same that we were doing. So I added some more cheese onto it, but this time you're not going to add any meat. And you just set it on top. And this layer we're just going to add some meat to it. If it'll come over here.
Add more meat. Spread it out more.
And now we're just going to keep on layering it like how we were doing before. But this time, whenever I add the cheese, I'm adding some of this, just a little bit of the salsa. Now, if you like spicy stuff, you can get some spicy salsa, but this isn't spicy at all, so yeah. Okay, so now it's completely done. It just came out. I'll show y'all a better angle in a second. But what we're going to do is to get those stripes that are typically on footballs, we are going to take this plastic bag and we're going to take some sour cream and we're going to put the sour cream into the bag and cut the tip. Okay, so we got our little football and we're just going to make 3 lines. It's kind of hot, so it's going to melt a little bit.